Thinking about launching an LLC in Nevada? There are some clear reasons why many entrepreneurs choose to set up their businesses here. Let's walk through those benefits, what to consider if you're outside Nevada, and the exact steps to get your LLC underway. Plus, I'll share a bonus tip to help you keep those advantages working for you, something many overlook. And stay tuned for some insider info on professional services that can simplify the process. First, what draws people to forming an LLC in Nevada? Even if you're not a resident, Nevada offers advantages that can make your business stronger. The top perks include shielding your personal assets and maintaining your privacy. Nevada law offers something called charging order protection, which applies even to single-member LLCs. Basically, it helps prevent your personal assets from being vulnerable if you face a lawsuit or debts. Your business stays intact even if you're personally sued. That's a big plus for risk management. Another highlight is privacy. Nevada allows you to keep your ownership details out of the public eye. Unlike many states that require business owners' names and addresses to be publicly available, Nevada makes it easier to keep that info confidential. This can lower spam and unwanted solicitations. However, if you're mostly doing business outside Nevada or don't live here, forming an LLC in Nevada might not be your best move. Operating in your home state or where your business actually runs often makes sense, since legal protections and costs can differ when dealing with multi-state setups. Getting started with Nevada LLCs involves 6 main steps, whether you go it alone or hire a professional. Most of our clients, about 65%, prefer to work with specialists, which can ease things considerably. Here's what you'll need to do. 1. Choose a name. Pick a name that reflects your brand but also meets Nevada's rules. Use the Nevada Secretary of State's database to check if your preferred name is available. It must include limited liability company, or LLC, or abbreviations like LLC with periods. Avoid names that might suggest a government agency and restricted words like bank or university without prior approval. 2. Select a registered agent. Nevada requires your LLC to have a registered agent, an individual or service that receives legal notices on your behalf. You can appoint yourself or hire a professional service like filingfox.com, which offers privacy protection and handles this smoothly. 3. File articles of organization. Submit the official paperwork to the Nevada Secretary of State, along with a fee of $425. This includes the articles of organization, initial list of managers or members, and your business license application. You can send these online, by mail, or in person. 4. Draft an operating agreement. While not mandatory in Nevada, having an operating agreement is good practice. It clarifies ownership and operating procedures, helping prevent future conflicts. There are templates available online, or you can review guides to craft your own. 5. Obtain an EIN. A federal employer identification number from the IRS is essential if you plan to open a bank account, hire employees, or file taxes. It's free and can be obtained easily online or by mail. 6. File a beneficial ownership report. Starting in 2024, the government requires LLC owners to report who truly owns the company through a beneficial ownership information report, BOI. This must be filed within 90 days of formation or by January 1st, 2025, and failure to comply can incur hefty fines. Many entrepreneurs choose to enlist professional services to navigate these steps. Firms like filingfox.com not only assist with privacy, keeping your personal details off public records, but also handle ongoing compliance like annual reports, which cost $150 for the list of officers and $200 for the business license renewal. Once your LLC is up and running, remember to file an annual report each year on your anniversary date. It's a straightforward process to keep your business in good standing. If you're serious about making your Nevada LLC work in your favor, consider expert support. They can simplify paperwork, protect your private info, and ensure you stay compliant without hassle. For personalized advice or help with your setup, drop a line to info@filingfox.com. That's a quick guide to forming an LLC in Nevada. If you want more tips or resources, check out our detailed guides linked below. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your setup, we're here to help you move forward confidently.